Step number 1, sign up to our website. Step number 2, copy your referral link, shorten your referral link. And step number 3, paste your referral link and enjoy the money. What's up, rockstars, and welcome to Profit-Preneurship and another episode to this tutorial, because today I'm going to show you and I'm going to help you how you can earn $8,500 in just a couple of days, guys. So you don't even have to worry about doing this every single day, because once that you do this once and automate the whole process, literally you're going to get great sales results every single day on complete autopilot. So make sure that you watch the whole video until the end to don't miss out, so you're going to earn money hands free. And if you want to learn my favorite way to make thousands of dollars per month, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description and I will send you all the information to your email address. So with that said, let's jump into the computer right now and show you all the steps of today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is Instagram.com, and I'm gonna show you today how you can make a lot of money on Instagram if you follow all the steps of this strategy. So the first step will be to sign up with Instagram. So you can either do it, with your Facebook, or you can add your phone number and your password. Okay, so bear with me, we're gonna be using some demo accounts so I can show you all the steps of today's strategy. So the second website I want you to come to is called Instaswift.com, and this website right here is going to allow you to be able to grow your Instagram. Okay, and it's great because basically they actually specialize in getting more likes, getting more engagement, and study the platform in order for you to be able to increase your followers. So you can come here and you can check it out, and you can see here, as it says, our engineers study Instagram, so your business didn't have to for a long time. That's why, like other companies who artificially increase your engagement, only Instaswift can make you genuinely popular by actually ranking your content, which is more important, because the more your content is ranked, the more views are gonna have and the more people are gonna view it. Okay, so it has a special algorithm to be able to get views, likes, saves, and comments, and there is no artificial or fakeness of anything. This is completely legit. Okay, so just keep in mind that this software will be very powerful for any type of business, and businesses right now, they haven't got the time to be investing a lot of time in growing the Instagram account, and they want results fast. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the monthly plans. As you can see here, you go €7 per week, you go €14 per week, you go 28 per week, and it will all depend either if you pay weekly or if you pay monthly. So the most popular is 57 per week, but obviously this is just for marketing purposes. Is the one that they recommend the most, but it's not necessarily the package that you might need to go for. But the good thing about all this is like you're not gonna need to pay for any package just yet. Okay, so just keep watching every single step. So I'm gonna show you what you have to do. Okay, so you can see what includes in all the packages. And then you can see as well the different testimonies from people, so you can see the result that others have had. And if they have had great success, I'm sure that you will be able to have great success with this software. Okay, but the good thing about this software is, like, if you promote it to somebody else, you're gonna get a fee for everything that is promoted. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to click on this link over here where it says refer a friend, right? So let's go back and let me show you this refer, and then up here, once that you click on here, it's gonna load this website which I've already signed up with, and then let me show you how it will look the dashboard. Okay, so you will see over here, this is your dashboard. This is where all the statistics and the analytics are gonna show, and most importantly, this is your affiliate link that you're gonna need to copy and paste somewhere else, which I will tell you in order to start making money. Okay, so what happens is when someone clicks on this link, people will come to this website to sign up, and they will be like, okay, this is the software that will help Instagram grow. And then once that they sign up through your link, that way you're gonna get paid. Okay, so that's as simple as that. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to get the traffic and how you're gonna be able to do this. But first of all, as you can see here, this link right here it's a very ugly link. You know, this is a link that it won't be attractive if you send it to somebody because it will look very spammy. So I wanted to go to a website which is called tinyurl.com. So once that you're in tinyurl.com, we want to copy our link and then want to paste our link over here, okay? And then we click on make tiny URL. So this long link is being compressed into this small short link. It's been shortened to this link, which means this link you can actually use it, and when someone clicks on this link, it's gonna have the same effect. You're gonna be able to go to the Instagram software, and when someone buys something from the Instagram software, you're gonna get paid for it, you know. But before that, before promoting it, you're gonna need to show people that you actually have got accounts with a lot of followers without having a lot of content, and you can show them as well that these followers are real. So what I'm gonna show you a few websites where you can actually get these followers for very free, and you know, it won't be free, but it will be very cheap, and then you can actually leverage that and say, look, this is the amount of followers that I have, and you want me to help you out, and then send them the link. Okay, so let me show you. The first website I want you to go to is picker.com. So picker.com is a SMM panel to buy cheap followers and likes. So SMM stands for social media marketing panel. Okay, so you're gonna be able to buy cheap followers, likes, and views for TikTok or Instagram as well, and then you're gonna be able to earn different bonuses and so on. So you can see that that this website will allow you to be able to get more followers for your Instagram account, which is gonna help you to be able to promote the link we have mentioned. Okay, the only thing you have to keep in mind that some of these social media marketing platforms could be spammy. Some of them, you know, some people from India tend to go to this website, they just take your money and they don't do the work. So make sure that before you order any service, you check all the reviews and make sure that everything is right and legit, so you can get all the benefits you pay for, right? So if you're gonna get 1,000 followers, make sure that the account that you're gonna buy from, or the service, whoever is providing the service, is a service that is legit and you can get some reviews. But you don't have to just rely on this website. Let me show you. If you come to a different website which is called reviewsxp.com blog, here is listed 15 best social media panels for social media services in 2022. So which means that you can go to each of these panels and see which is the best price for you. Ones that I highly recommend I've used is social social panel 24. But there are tons, you know, Game Follower, iSocial Life, and so on. Picker, the one I've shown you, Chrome, Insta. So these are platforms that people are selling accounts, they're selling followers, and they're selling likes for very cheap, you know. So you're gonna use this for your own Instagram account to show as a proof that you've managed to reach thousands of followers, which obviously, you know, this will be for a very cheap price. And then what you will do is you put the link in the description promoting this software right here, Instaswift. Okay, so these are the websites. You can come check it out, and then you can go through different ones and see which one works best for you. But once that you do that, you're gonna need some information on your bio. Okay, so you will go into, for example, Google Docs, and then this could be an example of what you could put on your bio. So it doesn't have to be the same emojis, or doesn't have to be the same text. This is just for illustration purposes. So you can see get natural followers in seconds, completely automated process, 5,000 followers in seconds. Okay, so if you have this on the description, whenever someone comes to your bio and they see that, they will click, they will see the link. Okay, so this is what we will do. We'll get our tiny URL link, and this will be the link that shows on your bio. Okay, so you could just paste it underneath, and that's it. So when someone clicks on this link and they go to a software, because they already know that you go thousands of followers, and they trust that you can help them to get more followers. Whenever they sign up, you're gonna get a referral fee for this. Okay, so it's actually a great way. You know, you obviously gonna need to be consistent. You're gonna make sure that you're promoting your account right, and make sure that you get sufficient traffic in order for you to be worthwhile and start making affiliate commissions from today. Okay, so guys, you know, as I said, you just can come to this website, to SMM panel, check out what are the best options and get your followers. So this is all I wanted to share for today's strategy. It's a good software that has helped thousands of people and is helping people to make money on the daily basis. You can just come, check it out, get your SMM panel and get your followers, get your results, get your statistics up, and then you can show that to other people. Okay, very straightforward. You can start implementing right away, and once that you start referring this link, people, you're gonna get paid, you know, because people will click on the link, and then when they sign up, you're gonna get a referral fee. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed today's strategy. If you did, please give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep investing on the channel and keep bringing you the latest strategies on digital marketing. And with that said, if you want to learn additional ways, or my favorite way to make thousands of dollars per month, click on the first link in the description. I will send you all the information to your email address. So I hope that you have a great day and a great week ahead, and I will come with more content very, very soon. Take care now, guys.